Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So sorry it's taken a while, but here's an update on the Estate Focus 1.6 petrol non-starter. So we're here with Louigi with his S-Max that we recovered on a previous video. Go check it out. So basically, yeah, we changed the clocks, we also resoldered the clocks. Still no joy, non-starting, and it turned out it was the red ECU wire from the fuse box. It was stretched, it wasn't broken, it was just stretched a bit, but he replaced that and it started straight away. Car's been fine for at least a month now, and we've literally just been to the Isle of Wight and back in it, doing about 700 miles in total, so we're pretty sure that's a permanent fix. So for those that are interested in knowing how to sort this, Lou did take a video on his phone which we'll show you now. So we're under the engine bay now. Do apologise for how dirty it is, but like I say, we've just done a 700 odd mile round trip to the Isle of Wight and back. It is a daily driver, it's not a show car or anything like that, but so there's the fuse box, and I'm going to hand over to Lou and he can explain what he did.
So you got the red wire here, which I've changed to blue because that's what I had spare, on pin 13 on this plug, which that's the end of the old wire, which had broken somewhere along the way or stretched along the way, lost its connection. So I replaced it from the good bit, which I had a signal of 12 volts from, ran it past the loom, down through there and straight to the red on the ECU, which you can straight here, but easy. Is in there somewhere.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, see the little blue wire in there to the plug, and literally as I did that I left the key in and the fuel pump primed. So
you know that it sorted it?
Yeah, so the minute that the fuel pump primed, cycled the key and it started straight up, and I tested it by pulling that wire off that I put on. So at first I just twisted it together just to make sure. Pulled the wire off, car instantly cut out, the mobiliser fault and everything else that came up on the dash before came right back up. Put that wire back on, cycled the key, started straight back up again. So then I soldered it all in place, started it probably 20 or 30 times, left it running between starting it, and it started every time, no fault. So.
Yeah, so that's how you sort that one, guys. So guys, while we was at it messing about with the clocks, we actually fitted a set of ST clocks out of a Focus ST Mark II, all working fine, and they've also had a blue LED conversion which looks great at night. I've also swapped the pocket out on the top of the dash for the boost pod on the again Mark II ST. Now it doesn't work, the car hasn't got a turbo, however there will be a video coming soon of us wiring this in to see if we can get it to light up, or just see if we can get the gauges to do something. Just a bit of a gimmick really, just adds to the look of the car really. Obviously that there is a volts gauge, just keep the eye on the battery level there. So guys, thank you for watching, give it a like and subscribe, hit the share button, and I'll see you on the next one. Massive thanks to Lou for sorting it out for me. I'll see you again soon.